All right, I have 3 books I'd like to recommend. The first is by Jacqueline Rose. It's called Mothers, an essay on love and cruelty. Jacqueline Rose is a British critic, psychoanalytic critic, who's quite well known. It's a beautiful and painful book about the punishment, political and psychological, of mothers for their failure to be able to keep children and the society from suffering. And it's also a work of literary criticism, talking about Elena Ferrante and others' work as well. So it's fantastic. The next book is by Hilton Als, who's one of the most well-known and esteemed critics in the United States. It's called White Girls. It's an older book by McSweeney's, and it's along with a book called The Women. Hilton's only 2 books published, and otherwise he's a very, very prolific writer of essays on art and the theater critic for The New Yorker. As it says on the back, it's about blackness, queerness, movies, Brooklyn, love, AIDS, fashion, and more. I'm recommending it in part because of its subject matter and in part because of Als's absolutely unique style. He's an amazing stylist. And lastly, this is a new book from last year by Jeremy Atherton Lynn. It's called Gay Bar, Why We Went Out. It has a glory hole on the cover, so you won't want to miss that. And it's a really, really compelling and, again, really exotically and hotly written historical account of gay bars from their history, but also Jeremy's own history, going out from the 90s to the present. It focuses mostly on gay bars in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and London. And it won the National Book Critics Circles Award the year it came out, and I recommend it highly. So that's it. No. Okay, great.